Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make buttons like this and this for your websites. So let's see how this is working in our UI. So we have given the title name button animation to it. Then we have go to our HTML by and creating these buttons. This first button and this is the second button that we have created inside this part. So let's see what we have to do in our CSS part to create this kind of hover buttons like hover me, then click me, and namaste dosto. Like first of all we have defined our HTML and body CSS with margin as 0, padding 0, width 100%, height 100 VH, display as flex, take them as a flex position, flex direction as row, justify content center, align item center, background black, hover effect on the first button like this. For its class we have defined the width as 220 pixel, height as 50, border none, outline none, color white, background color as black, then cursor as a pointer, position relative, z index 0, border radius 10 pixel. Then before CSS of this same part, content part empty, and the rainbow color part. This is the rainbow part. Position absolute, top 2 minus pixel, left 2 minus pixel, background side 400%, z index minus 1, filter to get it in the blur position for a while like this, blurry 5 pixel, and defining the width and height as this, then giving the animation of 20 seconds as a linear and infinite, animation name as glowing, or and its opacity is 0, transition of 0.3 second, is in out, border radius, active after, glow on, glow hover effect before, glow hover after, and the animation which we have given to it as. So let's see how we have created our next part of the it like this. So first of all, see what this is. We have created a button class CSS, position relative, display inline block, margin as 20 pixel. Then in the array we have in the A, in its A part we have defined the color as white, font size 36 pixel, text align center, text decoration none, and background this color as a yellow. Display block, position relative, and padding as 20-40 pixel. Then this WebKit tab highlight color as 000, text shadow like 0 pixel, 1 pixel, and as a black. Filter drop shadow like this. Drop shadow for different browsers. Same setting. Same this. Different browser box shadow and normal box shadow, and same for the border radius. Then we have got to activate part of a tag of button class. Top 10 pixel background this color, box shadow same for all of these, for all of the browser in which you are doing your work, and then the after part. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.